Hi, my name is Sam Dhaneshekaran and welcome to this database lessons video series. In this video, we will talk about backup and recovery concepts of Oracle database. So before proceeding with the concepts of backup and recovery, let's just go over what happens when Oracle database server runs. Okay, so we have the Oracle binaries installed in a OS location. Okay, and it uses this SP file to start the database. SP file has information about control files and redo log files. Okay, it also uh, has other information about the environment parameters for the database. Okay, I'm trying to keep this as much simple as possible in the context of backup and recovery. Okay, so just giving you a flow of how things start with regard to Oracle database so that it would be easy for you to understand later when I explain about backup and recovery. So we have the OS binary files here, and we read SP file. SP file has information about control files, and from control file we get the information about the data files. Okay, also if the database is in archive log mode, right, archive log files get created. Okay, so when we back up a database, what do we need? We definitely need to back up this one. We need to back up this one. We need to back up data files, and we need to back up archived log files if the database is running in archive log mode. Okay, in most of the scenarios, what will happen is, in case of a issue and if we need to restore from a backup, right, we might build a new machine, install the same version of Oracle, okay, and something similar to this, okay, and restore the SP file from the backup, restore the control files, restore the data files, restore the archived log files. Okay, and using these we can reconstruct the database because we have the binaries, and we can start the instance with this SP file. When we are starting, it would expect the control file, right, and it would create the redo log files. Redo log files will be empty. Okay, and once it once it reaches the control file will have the information about these data files. Okay, and depending upon the configuration, these data files may or may not be consistent. To make them consistent to a point in time, we need archive log files. It's as simple as that. Okay, so when we backup, we can store the backup as backup sets in a backup location. The backup location can be a disk or tape. The popular configuration is backing up to a disk, from there copying it to tape. Okay, backup location can also be an FRA. Okay, FRA is flash recovery area, which is an Oracle specified I can say it as a file system, but it's basically the, the 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 tree structure conforms to the Oracle standard. Okay, so this is what basically a basic backup and recovery process, right? So let me go over again. I'm trying to keep it as much simple as possible. We have the binaries, and we need the parameter file, right? And using, when we start Oracle, we install binaries, and then we use the parameter file. From there we get the information about the control files, and from there we get the information about the data files, right? And to make the data files consistent, we need to get data from archived log files. Okay, we will see this in detail a little bit